Want to keep your car cool and comfortable even under the hot sun? This magnetic car window sunshade is the perfect solution. It blocks harsh sunlight and helps protect against UV rays while adding extra privacy inside your car. Thanks to strong built-in magnets, installation is super easy. Just place it on the window frame and it snaps right on. No tools, no clips, and no hassle at all. Great for front or rear windows, daily driving, or long road trips. Stay cooler, protect your car interior, and enjoy every ride. Get yours today from Carmodza.com. Link is in description and comment box.